Thank you so much everyone for coming here on Kia's 7th birthday, and I'm going to be your host and your magician for the day. Siyempre, bago natin i-introduce ang ating celebrant today, we are going to have a simple background of our celebrant, Kia. So, for the intro, a 7th birthday celebration is unforgettable in a young girl's life. She will remember this day in her life as she grows older. The people who are most proud at this moment are the parents of our beautiful celebrant. May we call on the parents, Mr. Nani, right? Mr. Nani and Mrs. Dorothy Odi. Let's go. Tulungan naman natin everyone. Okay, wala ko siya. Mamaya na siya. Kayo muna.
Kayo muna daw, nanay. Kayo daw muna. Magulang muna daw bago sila.
At her very young age, she's now ready for adventure or for the sake of fun and friendship. Without further ado, let us put our hands together as we welcome the main highlights of this celebration. Everybody, ladies and gentlemen, may I introduce to you our beautiful celebrant with her escort, Kuya Akiro. Let us welcome our lovely celebrant, Kia Shimei. Palapangan natin! Let's go!
Okay,
And this time, before we officially start our program, everyone let us all stand for the opening prayer. Ito po ang unahan ni Ka Leo.
tayo po kayo, tayo po.